Alright, taking a look at Jasmy, it looks like we did have that move to the red box of resistance, ultimately to get rejected again. We did have a 23% move. Really the concerning thing here is what Bitcoin will do next. This move happened when Bitcoin started tanking again, and if Bitcoin does the same thing, we could probably break this one level to the downside again, considering we already have. Take a look at the Ichimoku cloud and the EMA ribbon on the daily. You can see that the EMA ribbon was tested and we found a rejection from it. You can see here we had this as well as this offering resistance, so we're likely to see a rejection here in my opinion. We also have this red downtrending level of resistance offering some selling pressure. So again, the odds were more in favor of a rejection here than blowing through this level. If we take a look at the 4 hourly, you can see the test here of the red box. We pretty much tested the exact bottom of it. We were also trading within this Ichimoku cloud on the 4 hourly, ultimately to get rejected out of it. We also made our way above the EMA ribbon here, and now we're back below it, using it as resistance. If we take a look at the hourly, it looks like we did break through the Ichimoku cloud to the upside. I was mentioning that we really needed to start trading within here and testing this area so we could break through it. You can see here when we did break through the Ichimoku cloud to the upside and tested the 200 EMA, we had a pretty nice move up from the breakout of the cloud, and the 200 EMA to the top here was around a 32% move, so pretty decent. And ultimately from the bottom here to the top was around a 100% move, so not bad. Now this rejection shouldn't really be a surprise for anybody because we are still in a downtrend here. We're still setting lower lows, so we should be expecting to set a lower high as well, which we have done. Now from here, we'll really have to see if Jasmy sets another low from here. If it does, possibly all the way down at the 1618, again, we could have a lower high and continue down. If not, we could have somewhat of a double bottom pattern before we start moving up again. But in my opinion, this really depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin continues to go down, it'll probably pull Jasmy with it, ultimately striking the 1618 level, which is sitting around 004. But if we can hold this one level or even this low back here at 0079, the one level is sitting around 01. If we do hold these levels to the upside, we really need to start breaking some previous highs back here, as well as this downtrending level of resistance. If we can break these areas of resistance to the upside, potentially retest them as support, the next obstacle ahead of us will be the Ichimoku cloud. And really at that point, this downtrend has been pretty strong for the most part. So if we do break above this, we could very well break the Ichimoku cloud to the upside, especially considering how thin it is here compared to back here. So yeah, that's really all I have for Jasmy today. We found a rejection here, so really I'm expecting to set a lower low from here, especially considering that we're still in a downtrend. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so as I try to post content daily. As always, this is not financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one.